It begins as an idea sketched with intention and vision, every line drawn with purpose, shaping a destination designed for life. Discover an exclusive destination designed for wellness. An arrival where elevated experiences await. A heart where waterways flow. And green landscapes breathe. Immerse yourself in self-care at an exclusive wellness center. Indulge in a truly holistic way of life. Curated mindfully. Woven into nature and infused with luxury. This is where visionary expression takes root. The Heights Country Club and Wellness, where life is well lived.